In this video I will show you how to configure transactional emails in Magento. These emails provide the basis for the communication with the customers. So, for example, the customers will receive an order confirmation after they've placed an order at your online shop. As I will use a default template for creating a new transactional email, the main part of the email content will be generated automatically through predefined text messages and various variables. However, some details must be customized or added according to your special needs, of course. I will explain you now how to do that by taking the example of the order confirmation. You can set up your transactional emails at System, Transactional Emails. Here you can see all already existing emails, and to generate a new template, I just click on the button Add New Template. With the selection box, I can now choose the template I want to use. I select New Order. In the next step, I have to pick the appropriate locale, so I take English United States so that the template content will be shown in English. After those initial settings, I can now load the template, and if this process is finished, I can see the HTML of the template here. Then I have to define a unique template name. In this case, I will choose Order Confirmation. This input field contains the subject line of your email with the first variable showing the name of your online shop and the second variable for the order number. As I have already mentioned, in this area you can find the content of the template. Here you have the opportunity to make any changes. At first I want to modify the salutation here, because I rather want to address my customers with Mr. or Mrs. instead of hello, because I think hello seems to be a little bit unfriendly. So I have to make the following changes. This variable shows you the first and the last name of the customer who receives the order confirmation. In the next part, there are some information listed your customers need after they've placed an order at your online shop. For example, the invoice and the shipping address, a list of the ordered products, the chosen payment method, and of course the amount the customer has to pay. At this moment, it's not necessary to edit anything here. And before I will save this modified template, I want to have a look at the preview. You can find the button Preview Template here. As you can see, the individual logo is already displayed. You just have to upload it under System, Configuration, General, Design, and Transactional Emails. But there are some facts still missing, I think. So beneath the overview, I want to add some contact information. So let's get back to the email template. The overview ends at this point here. At first I want to say goodbye to the customer in a friendly manner. So I will use with kind regards, your Max School team. So I have to do the following changes. But it's better to use a variable for the name of the online shop so that any changes of the name will be shown automatically. So you can insert a variable with this button, Insert Variable, and after you've chosen the correct variable, in our case store name, it will be shown in the HTML at this position here. After that, I would like to add the contact information. I have already prepared the text and I would like to insert it now at this position here. So the customer gets informed about the address, the phone number and the email address through which they can get in touch with you. As you can see, I use predefined variables again. And finally, I want to show you how to adjust the color design. You should select colors according to your corporate design. So I will choose a darker gray for the background and an orange for the last part of the order confirmation. For implementing this design changes, I just need to modify the following color codes. For the gray, this code. And for the orange, this one. So after finishing your adjustments, don't forget to save the changes with this button. And I will show you the result of our work. A real order confirmation a customer receives after placing an order at your online shop with the new background color, the orange color below and the new contact information.